Hi friends, today I got a much awaited parcel, so don't going to waste any time. Going to unbox it. So this is the package. I got it. The weight is about 3 kg. First I'm going to check the invoice. They put the value as $40. So let's keep the invoice side away. Let's do the unpacking. So there is a box inside with a bubble wrapper. Yeah, the pack has been opened, so you can see few manual is there. And regarding the invoice, they declared as in $40, so I didn't get any custom charges on it. Yeah. So let's go in it. Some paperwork. Then here's a manual is there. So let aside. It has a remote. It's an RF. I'm not sure, or infrared. I'm not sure. No, it's infrared only, I think. But maybe RF. Maybe they have included it. This is the dust collector box. Then this is the battery dock I'm talking about it. It's an automatic one. So for example, if you program it to clean at by 5:30 to 6 o'clock, it will clean up to 6 o'clock and then it will station into the dock automatically. So nothing we need to put them in a charge. This is the wet mop I'm talking about. This is a wet pad. There is a water box inside in it. Capacity is 300 ml, I think. With the help of that, there will be a few drops will be in this pad, so we can so that the robot will do a wet mop. Here's the charging adapter, then the filter, then some brushing pad. So here's the main one I'm talking about it. It has a few dusting pads beneath. So the belt is really superb. I love that gold finish. It's not a pure gold. It's a kind of pinkish tint is there. So here's the bottom how it look like. Here's a wet map. This is known as a replacement mop. So already they have attached a one in it. So it has an on-off controller. Then a 360 rotatable wheel. Then the moving wheel. Here's the thing, it will get sucked in, the dust will get sucked at. Then everything is a normal. Then a few infrared sensors are there. So this is the cleaner I was talking about last week. So I got the cleaner. Today I'm going to check the demo of it. Okay, so they given a two box. There is a replacement box is also there. This is the main container where the dust will get collected, so we can replace it every day. And there is a manual on-off button is there. And coming to the remote, I seen a few function is there. This is an auto function. Auto function, if you enable auto function, means it will either clean in a zigzag position or in a round circular movement like that, and it will get automatic dock in the charger itself. So as of now, that's it guys. So later I will show you a full depth video how it works. Thank you. Bye. Hello friends. So I have totally unboxed everything. I have attached it also. Right now you can see it's in charging mode. So this is the remote. This is an automatic mode. So I'm going to undock it. So in automatic mode, it will do a zigzag pattern. you can clearly see it senses the device or any obstruction. Also, we can change the position also. For example, if I like to go to right, so I can able to change the position also. And then it has some timer mode. So I'm going to change it to the right. And the noise is not that much bad, but still you can hear that the bus noise is there for sure, but it's not that much bad. But the device works awesomely. The cleaning is perfect, and it also has a docking mode, but it's taking some time. The docking mode is means, for example, after cleaning, it will dock automatically to the battery. That will taking some time, but it's working really perfect for sure. So for 50 square feet, it is taking about 15 minutes to clean the everything, but it's really working good. This is a small demo of it, and I am show you how to do a wet mopping also. If any obstruction is there, means surely it's changing its direction. So that's a very good feature of it. You can clearly see whenever there is an obstruction, it changes direction. The cleaning is also perfect for sure. And auto docking feature I will show you in a later video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. So it's the end stage of the cleaning, so I'm going to put it in auto dock. So this is the auto dock feature, so I'm going to press it. Now it's moving of its own, so I'm not doing any control, but sometimes it takes some time to find its dock, but mostly it's doing of its own. You can clearly see it's sensing where the dock is, but anyway it's going crazy. So right now in this time I'm going to assist the robot. So I'm going to turn, then once it nears the dock, it will automatically do the sensing. Yeah, that's it. So this is an auto dock feature, so we no need to put it in a charger at a regular time. We put it in automatic mode. Once the cleaning has been done, it will get charged automatically. So that's it. Thank you.